matter what you do. The potential of your greatness will intimidate those who don't believe in you. Remember, God never gives you more than you can handle. Your job is just to hold on to the handle. But I understand, you're still in danger of being suspicious strangers on stolen ground. War on drugs mean we are the insurgents now. Young kings and queens, you are more than the sums of your encounters. There is no gain without sacrifice. This is for the Kamani Brave, Jordan Davis, Sean Bells, Eric Garners, Michael Browns, and others who lost their life. Their stories tell us, you gotta keep your feet left over right, cause the boogeyman is coming. Left over right, cause the boogeyman is coming. Trayvon, the day may come where your name represents the hope that our generation is worth saving. Take to these streets not to be politicized, but to show our youth deserve to be alive. You can see it in their hope for lives, fighting to make a difference. Change so remarkable it happens in an instance. Infants falling through the cracks of a broken system. Trust me, true ears hear this, even if they choose not to listen. This trial showed us the new Jim Crow happening daily. Lady Justice has our eyes covered. No wonder justice just is shady. So keep your feet left over right, cause the boogeyman is coming. Left over right, cause the boogeyman is coming. Only stop when you're ready to stand your ground. I'm happy you stood good.